try zooming in. Zoom in on them.
Okay.
So the air show has just started, and we're still
What kind of
watching-
airplane?
We're still watching the RAF Red Arrows right now. You know, and in a while it'll be a P-51 Mustang and an F-22 and an F-22 Raptor. Oh, I think they're making a heart. Oh, they're making a heart. You clicking it? Oh, they're making the heart. Oh, I see it. Oh. I literally see that raptor. Yep. They did it upside down.
Roll. Water bomber's coming in now.
Yep. Let's see where's it gonna drop. Where's it gonna drop?
Oh, maybe the next circle.
Or is he lining up for a drop?
He's
What?
near the fireboats now. That's pretty steep turn. Okay,
Yeah, the
looks like a
landing
landing now, right?
Landing?
In the landing,
Oh.
she actually won't stop now. Then after
well-
collect the water and take off. Oh, that's quick. It's already collect the water.
Yeah.
Okay. She's gonna drop water soon. I'm pretty sure
Dude, when
she's
you gonna...
ready now. Yes.
Yeah.
See? Drop the water now.
Whee!
Where?
Dad?
Yeah.
Did you know that? Did you know that?
Yeah.
Okinawa Fege a number. I saw the number.
Ready?
32. 32. Yeah, I saw the number. It was 32. I remember it was 32 or something. The guy in the cockpit.
Really? You see the pilot?
Yeah.
It's coming in. It's coming in for high speed.
Now it's time for the snowbird, which is right over If the turn goes wrong, it might